Hello, my name is Kylie and I'm a third-year student in Honors Psychology, and today I'm going to introduce to you the Prospective Major Chart. The Prospective Major Chart will help you choose your classes based on your interests, but as arts and business students, you'll also be required to take a few business courses every term. You'll also use the Prospective Major Chart to help you choose courses related to the major that you're interested in. The major is the subject that you want to study the most when you're here at the University of Waterloo. So first, when you get into the Prospective Major Chart, you can click on your major of choice and it will expand to show you your required business-related courses, your required major course, and any electives you might have space for. In the fall term, you'll be taking 5 courses, including Arts 130 or Arts 140, which are your required Arts First courses. Arts First courses are meant to help you build skills in communication and analysis in a small class of only 25 students. They will include lots of activities and exercises that require communication, problem solving, and the kinds of skills necessary for demonstrating comprehension and effective decision making that you'll use throughout the rest of your university career. You need to have an honors major by the end of your first year in order to stay in the Arts and Business program. That's why we always talk about having 2 prospective majors. We want to make sure that you choose courses from 2 areas of interest so that you have a major set and ready to go by the end of your first year. For example, if your first choice major is anthropology, but you think you might also be interested in history, look at the courses required for anthropology first. Then you can scroll down and see what courses are suggested for a potential history major. If you see more courses listed for your prospective major than you are able to fit into your schedule, choose the course that's listed first. For example, if you're interested in studying medieval studies, you'll see that there is no space for an elective in your fall term. What you might want to do is take Medieval Studies 105 in the fall term, and in the winter term, use the elective space to take a language course such as French or German, which will count toward the Medieval Studies major requirements. If the Prospective Major Chart gives you an option for courses that you can take based on your major of interest and you're not sure what they are, then you can go to Other Resources on this page and click on Fall and Winter Course Descriptions. When you click on that link, it will bring up another chart that you can click on the subject areas to read course descriptions, and that will help you make your choice. The Prospective Major Chart will help you choose the right courses to keep all of your options open so you're ready to declare your major at the end of your first year. Your next step will be to use this chart to fill out your course approval form. To watch the video walkthrough of the course approval form process, follow the link in the video description below.